Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to back up your MetaMask wallet so your funds are always safe. After installing MetaMask and creating your wallet, you'll be given a secret recovery phrase. This is the most important part of your backup. To access it later, open MetaMask, click on your account icon, go to Settings and Privacy. Here, you'll see the option to reveal your secret recovery phrase. Write it down on paper and keep it in a secure place offline. Never share it with anyone and don't store it in screenshots or cloud storage. This phrase is the only way to restore your wallet if you lose your device or forget your password. For extra safety, you can make multiple paper copies and store them in different secure locations. Backing up your wallet properly ensures that even if your phone or computer is lost, your cryptocurrency stays protected. And that's how you back up your MetaMask wallet. Subscribe the channel for more videos.